shocking crime has emerged in Navi Mumbai, where a woman, her teenage son, and a former cop allegedly murdered her husband and staging all the incident as an accident. What began a simple case of missing persons turned into a tale of conspiracy, betrayal, and murder. Meticulous police investigation exposed the gruesome truth, revealing about the planned murder by family members. As the case sent a shockwave through the community, concerns are raised about the hidden motives and trust within the families. In this case, the main accused are wife and sons. Police continues the investigations and more disturbing facts may emerge in days to come. The incident took place in Ulve Node, which is developing in Navi Mumbai, and a large number of people have come from other areas to shift this newly developed node. The challenge for the police in days to come will be much more than today. A murder that was meant to look like an accident has taken a shocking turn. A 35-year-old woman, her teenage son, and a former cop are accused of killing her husband and dumping his body over a creek bridge near the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport. Reshma More, the prime accused, claimed she was fed up with years of abuse and decided to eliminate her husband. She allegedly conspired with her son and Rohit Temkar, a former police constable, to commit the crime. The plan was brutal. Sedatives were mixed into victim Sachin More's drink, and when he became unconscious, they strangled him inside an auto rickshaw before dumping his body. Innocently, Reshma tried to mislead investigators by filing a missing persons report, but police grew suspicious when mobile records, CCTV footage, and the postmortem report pointed to foul play. As the investigation unfolded, police arrested Reshma, her son, the auto driver, and later tracked down Temkar in Sindhudurg. While Reshma claims she acted out of desperation, police suspect an extramarital affair as the real motive. With all the accused now in custody, the investigation continues. DCP Zone 2 प्रशांत मोहिते share more details about the detection.
30 तारीख को एक नवी मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के नियर जो सर्विस रोड है वहाँ पे एक डेड बॉडी उल्वा पुलिस को मिली थी। इस सिलसिले में एक्सीडेंटल डेथ रजिस्टर किया गया था। जब इसका इंक्वायरी की गई तो ऐसा रिवील हुआ है कि जो डिसीज्ड है उसका नाम सचिन मोरे है और उसकी अपनी पत्नी रेशमा मोरे के साथ अनबन थी। उनके दोनों में बहुत झगड़े हुआ करते थे, तो इस वजह से रेशमा मोरे इसने अपना दोस्त जो है रोहित टेमकर इसके साथ उसे मारने का प्लान बनाया और 22 और 23 की रात को 4 नींद की गोलियां उसे जूस में डाल के खिलाई। उसके बाद ऑटो प्रथमेश मात्रे करके जो ऑटो ड्राइवर था उसके ऑटो में उसको वही हालत में ड्राउजी हालत में लेके गए और फिर वहाँ पे रेशमा मोरे ने उसका नाक और मुंह दबा के उसकी हत्या कर दी और उसके बाद उसकी बॉडी एयरपोर्ट के नज़दीक वाले रास्ते पे डाल दी। फिर इस सिलसिले में मर्डर का गुना दाखिल किया गया और इसके इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान एक्यूज्ड रेशमा मोरे, प्रथमेश मात्रे, रोहित टेमकर ये तीनों को अरेस्ट किया गया है और इसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन सीनियर पीआई रजा ने उल्वा पुलिस स्टेशन कर रहे हैं और कोर्ट ने उनको 5 तारीख तक की पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड मंजूर की।